show the Movi in action. Do the little thing.
Okay.
Even though it's fun, camera movement is really not the most important part of the equation when it comes to video production. You need a video producer who can help you pinpoint your corporate voice and amplify your vision, and we would love to be that for you. Give us a call anytime. We'd love to buy you coffee and talk about your next video campaign.